Iron, India's first female Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi, who was famously known as the Iron Lady, was also very powerful in her previous life. Her name was Nana Sahib and she was a man in that life. Nana Sahib was the main and very powerful leader of the first revolt that took place in 1857, who later returned to the world as Indira Gandhi. Greetings from Sanjiv Malik. Friends, I have shared many of my experiences about past lives with you, such as through past life regression therapy. Of all the people who come to me, I have done past life regressions for nearly 4,000 of them, and by learning about the histories of many people, I have seen what they are today, who they used to be in the past, what mistakes they made, and what they are now. Many people's behaviors resemble, and many of their activities are similar to what they used to do before. Even today, they continue to do the same kinds of things. Today, I am going to tell you about the past lives of several celebrities. I haven't done these past life readings myself, but they have been mentioned in a book by Walter Semkiw, who was a very good researcher. According to his claims, he has seen the past lives of these people, and based on that, he has made certain declarations. Today, I'm going to share those with you, and it's going to be very interesting. Before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, please like the video, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel as well. You can watch many of my videos about past lives. The link is given in the description. You can also search for Sanjiv Malik past life regression stories. I've mentioned many different things about many different people, explaining why, if they are suffering today, what the reasons behind it are. Now let me tell you that according to research done on some people, those who are born as celebrities or famous individuals, Walter has shared findings about them. He explained that the soul can change its religion in the next life, it can also change its gender, and it can return to the world in any form. The most important thing is that if the soul has a desire at the last moment, it is given an appropriate birth or form to fulfill that desire, and that is why it returns to this earth again. So, in the way I am talking to you, I am talking about Shah Rukh Khan, and there is no need to call him King Khan as you all are familiar with him. He is the most romantic actor. Many people are influenced by watching Shah Rukh Khan's movies. It is believed that in his previous life, he was the famous Kolkata dancer Sadhana Bose. Yes, that's right, you can see a photo of Sadhana Bose here. Sadhana Bose was an exceptionally talented and highly skilled dancer as well as a celebrated actress who lived and worked in the city of Kolkata during the 1940s. She was widely recognized for her remarkable performances and she acted in a large number of films throughout her distinguished career. She was an excellent classical dancer and also performed ballet. So her fame reached great heights. She gave her best performances in 1941. Her most famous movie was called Raj Nartaki. She made Raj Nartaki so famous that the whole world adored her. People were crazy about her. But this did not last for a long time. And there came a time when everything was taken away from her, and eventually she had to survive by begging. Such a situation left a deep pain in her soul that she had gained so much fame and then lost it all. The desire she harbored within herself was somehow honored by nature, and accordingly, she was reborn. She was reborn as Shah Rukh Khan, and in today's time, I don't even need to explain how famous he is. You all can understand the connection that's pointed out through the IPL. Voltaire says that Sadhana Bose had a connection with Kolkata. Shah Rukh also bought the Kolkata team in the IPL. This is an indication of their connection. Look, I'm not saying this based on my own research. I'm just presenting what Voltaire said and what's written in that book. Interestingly, there is a theory with many similarities between Sadhana Bose and Shah Rukh Khan, which says that a soul can enter different bodies while still alive, can reside in different bodies, and even after death can control that body. That's how it is. This has also been mentioned many times in our other theories. Apart from this, what I told you about Shah Rukh Khan, besides this, there are many celebrities whose lives have a look-alike. There's a photo from the past of a celebrity, and then there's a present-day photo. Take a close look at the striking similarities between them, such as the well-known Hollywood actress Jennifer Lawrence and the famous Egyptian actress named Zubaida Tharwat. If you carefully compare the body features, facial structure, and overall appearance of Zubaida Tharwat and Jennifer Lawrence, the resemblance between the two women is truly quite remarkable and fascinating. If you look closely, they look so much alike that it seems as if one is just a photo of the other with only the color or black and white difference standing out. The similarity is truly amazing. Next, take a look at Alec Baldwin and President Millard Fillmore and also the President of France. These are some remarkable resemblances as well. So just look at the similarity between the two. Similarly, take Bruce Willis and World War II General Douglas MacArthur. Look at the similarity between these two as well. Notice the resemblance in their faces. It really feels as if one has been copied and recreated as the other. Mark Zuckerberg and Philip IV. Look at the similarity between them as well. The resemblance is truly remarkable. Now let me share another such effect with you. About Amitabh Bachchan. Walter says that the star of the millennium, whom we know as Amitabh Bachchan, is also called the angry young man. He is said to be the reincarnation of the great American theater artist Edwin Booth. In his previous life, Edwin Booth, both of their photos are being shown. As you can see, he ruled the world of theater. Similarly, Amitabh Bachchan is one of the greatest actors of our time. So it's quite an amazing thing about Edwin Booth and Amitabh Bachchan. In the same way, Walter has said that the actress Rekha of today, it seems as if instead of aging, she's actually getting younger. In her previous life too, she was actually a professional actress by occupation, and her name at that time was Mary Devlin. He says that she was also very beautiful in that life and her personality was truly remarkable. Even today, you can all understand Rekha ji's personality. I mean, her personality is truly unique in itself, so these are some of the special things we learned here that he shared about celebrities. He has also mentioned many other celebrities, like he talked about Indira Gandhi. According to the Volt Iron Lady, renowned as India's first female Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi was also very powerful in her previous life. Her name was Nana Saheb and she was Nana Saheb in the form of a man. He was the main and very powerful leader of the first revolt in 1857 who later returned to the world as Indira Gandhi. What he says is truly remarkable. There is a similarity in this. How did you feel after learning this fact? Do you believe it or not? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. That's all for this video. Thank you very much. I will do my best to learn more details about them and share them with you, especially about famous celebrities. So far, what I have told you is only according to Walter's theory. I also have a lot of facts about many people that I have shared. You can see the links to our videos in the comments below, and you can also search for Sanjiv Malik's past story. I hope you really like this video. Please like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.